As Ukraine has used many mock-ups or inflatable version of a system, Russia has used many expensive missile or allocated resources to attack these. Now, as Russia has noted the success, they try themselves to fool the Ukrainian army with inflatable version of tanks and artillery. The only problem is that Ukraine uses much more drones being able to fly closer and identify the targets. Noticing these wasn't real and not calling in a HIMARS or artillery strike. But while these are much cheaper than the actual system, they aren't free. So if Ukraine's drone can drop grenade, the cost of a grenade is much cheaper than the mock-up. This time the Ukrainian drone just kept looking for the real targets instead. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.